Hi, it's me, Chandru, Customer Success and Training Specialist from Open Learning Global. In this video, I'm going to talk about Advanced, which is one of the Open Learning course settings, where you can see a lot of uh, features or setting can decide how you want to run your course. Okay, now let's come back to my screen here. So to access the core advanced setting, just go to course setup and click advanced. And here, of course, we have a lot of settings, which is like the course prerequisites, pre-enrollment visibility options, discount options, course copy, alignment, miscellaneous, external enrollment, API setting, and institution-specific setting. Okay, now let's look at it one by one. Going to start with the course prerequisites. Okay, so what is actually a course prerequisite? So course prerequisite, let's say you have want to set it up like prerequisite for this course where the student have to complete certain course and then only they can access this course. So you want to have something, you want to set it up something like that, then you can do it so in the course prerequisite. So go and find that course and you can find the course that created under the institutions here and then you just need to choose the course. Okay, pre-enrollment visibility options. Okay, we have like a two simple setting here. One is like you want to ask the student to select the university only for Malaysian university and enter the student ID here when they enroll. So you just need to click here and then student pretty much when they enroll is tell them to enter the ID as well. All students can access the course immediately after enrolling, even if the class hasn't started here. So you want to do something like that, you can take this. All right, so what is discount options? Discount option is, okay, let's say you have a paid course and then you want to throw some discount. So you can create a discount code here and then you can give the discount and distribute the discount code to the learners. And when in the payment gateway, so when the learner want to do some purchase, right? So if they input the discount code, then automatically they get the discounted price. You just need to follow the example here for the discount codes. Cost copy. One of the most important feature, I'm sure this will help you a lot. This is where you can pretty much copy your cost. Let's say you have cost A, all right? And then this cost is, let's say, run for a few months, and then suddenly you feel like you want to copy this cost as a new cost, you can do the cost copy. So what this system will do, it will copy everything, including the content, activity, the images inside. Everything will be copied to the new cost, but it won't copy the student data or the student progress. So that one is because when it's copied, it feels like it's a new cost. So student data won't be copied over. What you need to do here is you need to choose the institutions, all right, and course name and course URL when you copy the course. But of course, if you are copying a same course, you can use the same course name, but the course URL have to be different. Alignment. Okay, what is alignment? In open learning, we have this constructive alignment system where everything that you put in the course, like the content and activity, must align to the learning outcome. You can do this alignment in your own course. So do you want this alignment to be visible to your learners and educators? You can take this if you want to. Miscellaneous. Under the miscellaneous, we have a lot of functions. Like, do you want to change the text direction to right to left? Let's say you want to develop Arabic course. Probably you want to have start from um, right to left. And text styling, do you want to use the larger text style? Okay, you can take this. And then you even can change the course homepage because when we have by default, we already have a homepage when you created your own course. But sometimes people created their own course homepage and then you can change the default course homepage here. All right. Course navigation, do you want to have that next and link button? the end of the page, all right, certification setting, all right, interactive tutorial, facility abilities, and as well the language translation. So all these small settings, please go through it, and then you can choose the one that really makes sense for you. External enrollment. Okay, this section is pretty much if you really want to do the enrollment outside Open Learning platform. So if that's the case, you can do it so here. All right, you can share the external enrollment URL here. If you want to set it up the external payment gateway, just need to take this custom label for join now button because we have this join now button. If you want to change the wording, then you can pretty much type that word. What is one here? And custom landing page message for unenrolled learners, you can share the message here as well. XAPI setting. Okay, XAPI is actually experience API. Is actually a way to track and record the learning activities. So in Open Learning, you can use this XAPI to send data about what learners are doing in your course to the Learning Record Store or LRS. All right. This will help you analyze and understand their progress better. So if you really have like a third-party system and you want to send all this data there, you can use the XAPI setting. So this is the statement that will be sent to the to LRS. Institution specific setting. Okay, so for this part, we have only one setting, which is course categories. But this one is tied directly to your institution portal because if you are institution portal administrator, of course, there are sections where you can create course categories, right? So let's say you create the course categories there, and then all the category also will be visible here. And then you can choose this course belong to which category, all right? So after you've done all this setting, make sure don't forget to click finish, all right? So here I want you to do, I want you to pause this video and go through all this setting under the course setup advanced and choose the one that really makes sense for your own course. Okay, the floor is yours. So how that went? All good? Okay, let's say in future, all right, you have any questions or you need any further help, you can always visit our Open Learning Help community page, and then you can go through the articles here to, or you can ask the community or report the issue, or you can call us, or you can send us an email, or even chat with us. All right, till next time, bye.